Hi! So I just wanted to share a bit of good news with you guys. So this happened overnight. So yes, my Ukulaliens channel, I still can't believe it, hit 100,000 subscribers. Wow. Considering I started making the play along videos for our Ukulaliens club in school, really just to help us learn how to play ukulele. And it's just grown ever since there, but I still make the videos for our school club. So I really just wanted to thank everybody for all the support, every view, every like, every comment. Honestly, I can never explain how much I appreciate it. Thank you all so much. You know, when I started the channel almost 4 years ago, I didn't even think that it would become popular, and I certainly could never have believed it would be as popular as it is today. We've got some videos with millions of views, and I know, well, 100,000 subscribers, I just can't believe, and from all over the world as well. Now, I must also apologise for the lack of ukulele play-alongs lately. As I said a minute ago, I've always made the videos for our school club, and we haven't had school club for over a year, since last March, and the sort of motivation at the minute. I do explain a bit more about it actually on my other channel, Ukulele Wales, but anyway, that's why there hasn't been as many play-along videos. I will keep making them, and hopefully we'll get school club up and running very soon, which means a lot more play-along videos coming. I just mentioned Ukulele Wales, my other channel. There's loads of stuff on there, very useful ukulele information about buying ukes, your maintenance of ukes, there's lessons. I talk about electric ukuleles, bass ukuleles, I do reviews. All right, so if you haven't been over there, I also do tutorials to go along with these play-alongs on the Ukulaliens. All right, so I would recommend going just have a quick look. You might find something interesting. Now, I am posting this video on my Ukulele Wales channel as well, because I know so many of you on there also support the Ukulaliens or found me through the Ukulaliens. So again, thank you guys as well for everything. It really, really is appreciated. And I know I'm particularly rubbish on the Ukulaliens for replying to comments. If I replied to comments on there, I wouldn't have time to make any videos, okay? But I really do appreciate it. But I do try my best to reply to comments on Ukulele Wales, so you can always contact me through there as well. And of course, if you're on Ukulele Wales and you don't know about the Ukulaliens, I would go and check it out, especially actually if you're a bass ukulele player, because practicing along to the ukulele play-alongs really helps as well. So wow, 100,000 subscribers. I don't know if I'll get a plaque. Fingers crossed, I do hope so, and I will share that with you all as well. But once more, thank you all so much. I just can't believe it. I really, really can't. You are, so send in the warmest wishes around the globe to all the ukulele players out there. If you've got a comment or a question, leave it below. I will try and reply to these. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't worry about subscribing today. Thank you all very much.